Hi, I'm Daniela with GrowthWheel. I'm the head of communication and also the reporting and migration specialist. What I'm about to show you is our impact reporting capabilities and how can you visualize all your impact. Up until now, Elizabeth has shown you all the ways that you can track client information in GrowthWheel Online, from business information to counseling sessions, trainings, and much more. But we really want to ask ourselves, how can we make impact reporting easier and better for advisors? We truly think that with data, we can see the unseen, and that's why we want to have a business analytics software to visualize our numbers. This is a quick overview of our reporting capabilities. It is a custom tailored reporting that we create for your center that can be fully customized. It is real-time interactive dashboard that you can access at any point given with up-to-date information. It has integration with Google technology, and it's a link that you can access at any time. It also allows you to print a PDF file. So that's why we start off with a nice cover page branded for your center that you can easily share with any team members, stakeholders, your board, or much more. This report can include all the different pages that we enable for you, or you can choose if you just want to have a few of them. Let's take a deeper look at some of the metrics that we set up for our clients, starting strong with unique clients served. So you want to see that breakdown by month and by team members to know how many clients is your team member meeting on a monthly basis, right? Because it is an interactive dashboard, that means that you get to interact with the data. So let's say that you want to click a specific advisor on your team to see how are their metrics. You can get a breakdown by month, or if you want to see at a deeper level, you get a drill down by week or even at the days levels. That gives you a really detailed breakdown. At any point, you can just reset or refresh the page and it will go back to the default. This is showing real-time data, which means as soon as you add information in GrowthWheel Online, you track a new meeting or you add a new client, the charts are being automatically updated. Some other metrics that we track are the breakdown of your client's location. So you want to see where your clients are. You get that drill down table by county, by city, and even at the zip code level. We have also added pages for the geomap so you can see where your clients are located. You get a list of the clients on the right. And if you click and interact with the map and select some areas, you are going to get an updated list of the companies located in that selected area. We, of course, had to include some business metrics. So if you want to see the company life stages, the employees that your client has, the number of years that they have been in business, and so much more will be included in this section. Additionally, we have, of course, a section for all the counseling sessions data. How many sessions is your team having per month? How much time are they spending with client? It gives you the breakdown by month and by team members, and these can be filtered by any demographic criteria or maybe any program that you have that you need to see individual metrics for. We have included pages for some averages to give you additional insights like how much time on average is your team spending by month. If your center is in need of tracking goals, we have the capabilities for this, so you can see how are you doing on regards to certain goal, either on a yearly period or a breakdown by quarterly. It will show you on red the goal that has not been yet met, but as soon as you reach your goal, it will turn green and show you the total numbers that you are having up until this point. If you also need to track advisor goals, we can do that. We just need to know the goals, the metrics needed, and we can set it up in this nice visual dashboard. We know having data at our disposal is very important, and that's why we included also some pages that you can export as CSV format, that being client contact information, counseling sessions information, maybe capital infusions breakdown, and even training events. These pages will allow you to easily export a CSV file that you can then manipulate on your own. The system also supports having a scheduled delivery. So this means that you can set up an automatic report based on your needs to be delivered to your emails on a certain regularity. You can choose who should see this report. what pages should be included, and what frequency would you like to receive this report on your email. It will include a link and a PDF so you can access it right away. And this is just a quick overview of our reporting capabilities. So if you're interested on this, please send me an email at daniela@growthwheel.com. I'm happy to get the conversation started and make sure your reporting needs are being met. Thank you so much for your time watching this video. Let us know if you have any questions, and back to you, Elizabeth.